Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome another time to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, guess what? D Dawn is in the kitchen to do. I know, yes, you are always right. You get it correct. Fruit, mixed fruit shake. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dawn upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporters, subscriber, follower, a very big warm welcome to you all. Big up. Let's get started. This is some fruit I have left over. My husband, he did a fruit salad for Father's Day, and this is the leftover. So I decide I don't want to throw it away. And these are some strawberries that left back. So guys, when you buy the strawberry now, you know it can't keep long. So you just have to hurry up and eat it or do something with it, or else way you have to throw it out. It easily spoils. So this is what we have here. Pine. Let me remove the plastic. So this is pineapple on the side right there. Over here we have strawberries. Here you have mango, and we have kiwi right here, the kiwi. The orange, we're not going to use the orange because we're making the mixed fruit shake with milk, so we don't want to use the orange, it's going to curdle. So guys, if you don't know kiwi, the kiwi is like this, and when you peel it, you get something looking like this. It's have a lot of benefit, guys. It's so rich in a lot of things. It is even good for constipation. And I guess everybody know the strawberries, although they cut the strawberries is like this. And when you rinse and you cut that top part off, it's like this. Mango is like this. And when you peel and cut, you get this. It look like that. So if in case you're gonna buy for the first time, at least you know what you will be looking for. I don't have a whole pineapple to show you, but when you peel a pineapple and you slice it up, it's just like that. Here is some milk. This is the almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want to use. This is 1 cup of milk. I will be using 2 cups for sure. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. You don't have to use the sugar because the pineapple is already sweet. The mango is sweet, so you don't have to use sugar. Or you can use some honey if you want. If you use a sweet tooth person, you can use honey. You can use the sugar. So you have to ensure that you wash the strawberry before you use it. Wash all your fruits before you use it. And you're going to remove the top right here. Just cut it out like that. Any part of the strawberry not looking good, just cut it out. So with our fruit already prepared, with the mango, we have the skin on, so I'm just gonna remove the skin from the mango. Remove the orange. We're not using the orange. I want to cut the strawberries in 2. Add all your mix the cut up fruit to the blender. So this is the milk. You're gonna add the milk in. You wanna add the sugar. I'm not using all of that sugar. Milk, the mixed cup. Remember, I told you 2 cups of milk. You don't want to overload it. And it's always good, you know, guys, when you're making your fruit juice or something natural just to drink, it's always good you add a little ginger juice in it. Yeah, it's good for aching stomach and upset stomach. Just a little ginger juice. It's very good to add in your juice. Place the lid on. This is my NutriBullet I'm using. Guys, you're watching the video today and you haven't yet subscribed. Use a silent watcher. What are you waiting for? Please support D-Dan Kitchen. Like, and you support me when you like and you share the video and you comment. Don't just comment and don't like. Comment, like, and share. So now we're ready for mix up and blender. Yeah, you're gonna mix it up. So the mixed fruit shake is now ready, guys. Shake it up. You're going to work. I mean, you can just put this in a container and you just carry it to work with you anywhere you're going. So let us pour it out. The beautiful people, you're watching the video today. Remember to give it a try. I know you will love it. Mixed fruit shake. So nice and delicious. So this is it, guys. Our mixed fruit shake is now ready for drinking. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? So why not go ahead and give it a try? I know you will love it. The kids will love it. I thank you all for watching D-Dan Kitchen. Please take care of yourself, and above all, let us be our brother's keeper. Always keep our eyes out for our brother and our sister. Beautiful spicy family, from D-Dan Kitchen to your kitchen. Please take care. I love you all, and I see you on the next one. Peace and love for now. Bye.